Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to make this hair scrunchie. The pattern is from CKC Patterns and it is a free pattern. I already cut my strip to 4 inches wide by 18 inches long, and I have a hair tie. This pattern print is spandex and it is from Forget Me Not. I am going to fold the pretty sides together, and then I'm just going to put my hair tie in between and then start pinning it. You can also use a elastic to do this. I'm using a hair tie. You want to make sure that your hair tie stays at the bottom. So now I'm just going to do the other side. And as I said earlier, make sure that the elastic is at the bottom. So now you'll see that you have your raw edge on the outside, and you're just going to want to do a stitch right around there. I'm going to do a straight stitch. You can do it with a serger or you can do it with a sewing machine. I usually do it with the serger, but I'm not going to do it today. So I'm just making sure that the fabric lines up. You want to make sure that your hair tie is not in the way, that it is down on this side. You can use cotton fabric as well. I prefer any type of knit spandex fabric. We're getting close to the end already. So this is what you get. I'm just going to trim that off, and then I'm going to need my safety pin. You're going to open that safety pin up and grab one side of your fabric, just like that, and then turn it into itself. just like that, and then you'll see that the pretty side is coming through. I'm going to go ahead and take the safety pin off, and then just continue to pull on this side and just work it out. Just like that. Now you want to make sure that you match up where you sewed. So mine is right here, and then the other seam is up here, and so now you just put one fabric into the other one, and you can sew it right there, or you can give it a little, like, fold it within itself. It's hard to do things with these nails. I'm just gonna pin it just because I do have acrylic nails and it's a little bit harder to do things. I'm not used to them. So I folded it within itself. Now I'm going to put this fabric in about 1/2 inch, just like that, and I'm going to sew right along here. And I'm just going to give it a back stitch all the way back to the very beginning. And then just one more time, pass it through. Just cutting off the strands, and there you go, you have a scrunchie. If you have any questions, just comment below and I'll be happy to answer those. I'll also leave the links to where I purchased the fabric and where you can find the pattern at down in the description box. Thank you for watching.